Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist, is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is... grow your gummy worms. To view our What to Get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required. Keep mixing until the salt is dissolved. The outcome of the 4 cups. Cup 1. The gummy in the first cup is big, clear, and breaks easily. Cup 2. The gummy in the second cup has less salt. Jack, what's your observation?
Slightly larger and clearer than the original one.
Cup 3, in the third cup, there is a lot of salt, which makes the gummy look dried out. The color appears slightly white, and its size has shrunk a little. Cup 4, the gummy in the fourth cup is big, like the one in the first cup, but has more color. It also breaks easily. The salt is what causes the chemical reaction. Whoa!
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.